Here we go. We're going to the boat and it's freaking hot.
It's 102.
I don't know.
It's 102.
Okay, let's go.
It's 102.
I love you. Thank you so much for coming. We're on the boat.
God,
Oh my God, it's so bright. Can't see nothing out here. Good morning. Looks like the beach is filling up across there. Anderson is starting to fill up.
hot.
You're hot? It is kind of hot.